Lesson 13. Comparing competitors and noting priority topics. In this lesson, you'll learn how to compare competitors, use navigation groups and letters, and understand key report insights. Open the Competitor Comparison tool from the main dashboard or the Agency Grade console. Before you begin, make sure each competitor status is eligible. If a competitor is ineligible, hover over the status to see the reason. The most common reason is that the competitor was not processed with Commercial Services Content Gap Analysis. In the navigation panel, if you followed best practice, your competitors should be organized into groups. For example, if you know which competitors are in Group 1, note their letters and select them for the comparison report. You can also click the tag in the navigation title to view the related note, where you may have listed your groups earlier. For more details, watch Lessons 8 and 9. Once you select the group you want to compare, click Run Competitor Comparison. This may take a few moments because the system runs deep AI and logic-driven analysis. Quick tip: for best results, compare only similar competitor websites. Comparing sites that are only loosely related or very different will not produce a meaningful report. When the process is complete, the new report should appear below under Reports. If you don't see it, click Refresh Reports. Name and note the report, then click Show to view it. Best practice is to first scroll all the way down to get a feel for the topics these competitors share or do not share. In any section, if you want to see which competitor belongs to an item, hover over the letter. Any topic strongly shared by even one competitor may give them higher visibility. To quickly identify higher priority topics, look for topics strongly shared by more than one competitor or topics with a mix of partial and strong sharing. Since AI search can only benchmark topics that exist, these popular topics are usually must-have items on the page you are optimizing against these competitors. For now, you do not need to take further action. Later processes will provide the insights and briefs you need to implement content gap closing. Important reminder: this report is intentionally created without the target website. It is highly recommended for similar websites only, so you can get true competitive insights. On the top right, near the Close button, use the Print button to print or save the report as a PDF for sharing or sending. This completes Lesson 13, Comparing Competitors and Noting Priority Topics.